Hi, I'm Maitri Vartak. I'm from Indra Water. So what we are trying to do here is we are trying to solve the global wastewater problem. Now, when you talk about wastewater, water is a very important resource that you use in any of the industries or any of the domestic use cases. So let's say from wiping floors, washrooms, bathrooms, everywhere water is used. In let's say in industrial processes like let's say manufacturing, pharmaceutical, textiles, water is heavily used, and you cannot just discharge it. You need to treat it before discharging. So where we come in is we have a solution which can treat all those kinds of wastewater. And how we do it is basically we treat the water with electricity. So this is one of our reactors called SFR 2.0. This is the latest generation reactors. Uh, to know the mechanism as to how the treatment happens. So when you pass electricity inside the water, reactions will happen, and that is electrochemistry. What we do is we specialize in that. So what is a pollutant inside a water? It is a molecule. You pass enough energy, you are able to destabilize the molecule, and once the molecules are destabilized, you can easily remove them. So applications come in industries like let's say textiles. So in textiles there are a lot of inorganic molecules, surfactants, dyes, which are very hard to treat and expensive to treat. So once we are able to detect, okay, this is the pollutant, this is the dye that is there in the water, we pass the energy based on a lot of trials we have done in our lab, and then we are able to suggest a solution. Okay, you can use this as a primary treatment or as a complete solution to get this kind of wastewater. If you want to use it, reuse the wastewater, you might be able to integrate it with other technologies like UF and RO. So this is as a primary treatment, this can be integrated or can be used as a complete solution in case of let's say this is one of our solutions where we are deployed in hotels and commercial properties. Taj Mahal Tower, which is in near Gateway of India, there used to be sewage water. They wanted to reuse it because water cost in hotels is quite a lot, which is 5 times the normal cost. So we are able to increase their water recovery by about 95%, bring down the cost, and they are also able to reuse this water in let's say cooling towers, flushing, and all the other places, gardening, where they can.
So, what other cases you need to do in order to how you guys utilize this in order to get potable water? Like, what will be the supply chain if I need to clear basically gray water to potable water? What
So
steps you
as
have
I
to?
said, this would give you best quality non-potable grade water. But if you have to go to the potable grade water where you can reuse it, you combine it with other technologies like UF and RO.
Okay, so is it compatible with removing forever chemistries from
Yeah,
pharmaceutical
yeah,
industry?
So in pharmaceutical industries, we have been working extensively with, let's say, Gelnova Laboratories, Sun Pharma, MJ Biopharma. So pollutants in pharmaceutical industries are very stable. There is recalcitrant pollutants. And in majority of the cases, we have seen more than 80, 85, 90% of reduction in this kind of forever chemicals.
So, what you guys are expecting in terms of growth of this technology?
We are expecting uh, quite a lot of adoption in terms of our sector specific targets like let's say textile, pharmaceutical, manufacturing, even domestic sewage.
Okay. So could you see this being used in normal households for water cleaning, let's say in large apartment buildings?
Yes, that is the use case. We have been targeting large apartment building. In fact, Ajmera Group, if you know, we are working with them. We have deployed units in Ajmera Group, and we're also working with other builders where we can basically have these units, these mobile units just set up there, used for water treatment. So that because water is a big problem, and most of the apartments you might be knowing, they face a lot of water scarcity, and they have to call tankers again and again.
So what kind of cost people are looking at when they are talking about this sort of technology?
For this, they would see and cost basically somewhat around 45 rupees per kl to 50 rupees per kl. Yeah.
So where can people reach you company?
They can reach us on site at indrawater.com. Yeah.